This is the ROG Strix Arion Light Enclosure. This is priced at 2,600 pesos and makukuha mo siya ng free if you purchase the Asus TF Gaming A15 during our summer sale promo. Quick specs, meron siyang AMD Ryzen 7 processor, 512GB SSD storage, 8GB memory at naka RTX 2050 na rin siya. So kung isa kang gamer, video editor, or doing CAD works, then perfect na perfect tong laptop na to para sa'yo. Siyempre, hindi lang tong ROG Strix Arion Enclosure yung kasama nitong freebie. Meron din siyang mouse, mousepad, flash drive, Asus TF Gaming backpack, at siyempre itong ating all-world umbrella, perfect na perfect para ngayong tag-init. Don't miss the chance para ma-avail itong ating amazing freebies, plus maka-avail ng ating up to 3,000 pesos discount. Kaya naman, visit the nearest all-world branch dyan sa inyong lugar, or you can contact us at our Facebook page. Siyempre, dito lang yan sa All World Communications, your #1 tech partner.